Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video into one of your FBML tabs. If you don't know how to create an FBML tab, go watch that video first, because after you watch that, the rest of this ought to be pretty simple. So first, let's go over to the text file that I included for download with this video, and open that up, and you're going to see two blocks of code. Now this may look pretty intimidating, but it's actually very simple. If you'll just cut and paste, you'll have a video up in no time. A couple of things to point out. The first block of code up here is for use with the YouTube placeholder. The code or the block of code on the bottom is for use with your own personal custom placeholder. If you're going to use the YouTube placeholder, you have your choice of 1, 2, or 3. In this example, I'm just using 3. I recommend that you use a custom placeholder because the YouTube placeholder looks horrible, and your custom placeholder can have a call to action on it, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. If you are going to use a custom placeholder, you need to make sure that it is the same size as your video, exactly the same size. Okay, let's go ahead and go over to YouTube and grab the YouTube video ID, which is right here in the address bar. If you open up your video and you see something like this, no problems, no worries. Just go grab everything between the equal sign and the ampersand and hit Control-C for copy. And by the way, if you'll just look, you'll see that that is the exact string of characters right there. Okay, go back over to the text file and come over here and highlight the X's, Control-V. Same thing down here, Control-V. This line right here refers to the image placeholder, and again we're using the third one, and you are ready to go. The only thing I want to point out here before we go further is where I get the dimensions. So I come down here below the video and click on the embed, enter the width that I want, which in this case is 461, and it gives me the height. Anyway, back over to the text file. We're going to hit or highlight this and hit Control-C for copy, and then go to our FBML tab, which I already have open, and hit Control-V for paste. Scroll down a little bit, hit save. Let's click on the link, go to the tab, and there we go. We have our video. Now if you notice, this is not a very attractive placeholder, and it doesn't have a call to action. Let's go upload this video again, but using my placeholder image. Okay, let's go back to the text file. Now I have already uploaded my image, and here is the image path. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control-C for copy. Actually, I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to highlight all of the X's right here. Control-V for paste, and I still need my YouTube video ID, which happens to be right there. We'll go ahead and grab that and copy that right in there, or paste it right in there. And then again, we'll drag over this. Let's go back to the FBML tab. I'm going to scroll down here to Edit Page, click on the Apps, go to App, and drag over this. I'm just going to paste right over that. Click Save Changes, and there's my placeholder image. Now I'm not a graphic artist, but I know that looks a lot better, and it has a call to action, and it's pretty simple stuff. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.